Hello students, the question is from computer organization. The question is, let the time required to read a word in the main memory, and the reading of a word in a memory includes associative memory access time also, okay, and it is 70 nanoseconds when a page number is in the associative memory, and the access time of associative memory is 20 nanoseconds. So find the hit ratio to achieve the effective access time to 100 nanoseconds. Okay, so EAT has been given as 100 nanoseconds, and for reading a memory from associative to the main memory, it is totally given as 70 nanoseconds. Okay, and associative memory access time is given as 20 nanoseconds. Fine. So the data which and all are given is time required a word in main memory including associative memory access time, it is given as 70 nanoseconds, right? And to access associative memory, the time is given as associative memory access time is given as 20 nanoseconds, right? Now, so how much time it will require only to access the main memory? The time required to access only main memories, sorry, 70 minus 20, that is 50 nanoseconds, right? Fine. So therefore, what will be the EAT then? Then EAT will be, just say for example, hit ratio is H. We have assumed hit ratio as H. So EAT will be what? H into time to access main memory time. Okay, so that will be including this associative memory. So it will be 70 plus 1 minus H into 20 plus 2 into 50. So what this is 1 minus H, this is miss rate. Okay, so this will be 70 H plus 1 minus H into 120. So it will be 70 H plus 120 minus 120 H. Okay, so this is nothing but 120 minus 50 H. And in the in the question, it is given as EAT is achieved. How much it will be? Effective access time is 100 nanoseconds, right? So it is less than equals to 100 nanoseconds, correct? So then when you will solve this you will get as 50H is greater than equals to 20, right? So this will go this side, so the equation will change, the equality will change. It's 20 by 50, so it is nothing but 0.4, so you can say that it is 40%. Okay, so answer is 40%, so it is 0.4, right? So the answer is D. Okay, thank you.